everybody, this is Donna Miller with Miller Crafts, and today we're going to put together that card that we started the other day. You can see on here the shine that was created with a foil quill, and I just went through and colored that. So we've got our standard A2 card base, and what I did on the inside is I also used that foil quill, and I don't know if you can see that, but it looks really good. It's super shiny, all the words printed out perfectly. I definitely highly recommend buying the foil quill. It works good. For writing, I used the fine tip on this, but it worked fantastic. I couldn't be happier with the results. I mean, it's just so shiny. So we're going to put this card together. This is my card mat. I'll have all the sizes in the description, so I'm going to put that together, and I'm going to glue that together. Okay, so we're going to glue these on here. Alright, so I have that all glued down, and then we're just going to put our sentiment here in the middle. This came from Cards TV. This is the mini messages, and this says Happy Mother's Day. So I'm just going to place that there in the middle. And we just had our Mother's Day card, and it is finished. And just look at all that shine on there from that foiling. It just looks fantastic. And the inside also looks great. All right, thank you so much for joining me.